Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this 2022 Cypress Cay 212 SeaBreeze. This boat is equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury, fresh brokerage listing. Let's climb aboard and check out the seating configuration. Very nice ladder here with the wide grab handles. Easy to board on and off. Has a ski tow bar for pulling the tubers, skiers, wakeboarders. Great bimini top, lots of shade. For the non-sun lovers, you can get out of the shade or out of the sun pretty easy. Some storage back here, easy access. Walk in here, have the captain's helm, kicker sound system, Mercury throttle there. Nice L-shaped seating lounger. There is dual batteries with selector switch underneath that seat there. There will be a trash can underneath this seat here. Easy access for beverages and snack containers. Plenty of seating up here. This boat is placarded for 13-person capacity, so room to bring the family and a few friends or a couple of families along. Lots of storage underneath these front seats here. Throw a cooler in there if you'd like. And then if you guys are water ski fanatics or tubers, you can throw that in here when not in use. So plenty of storage here. This does have the kicker sound system. Again, this is a 2022 Cypress Cay 212 SeaBreeze. For more information, call 573-606-3022. Look forward to getting you out on the water.